Hello, good afternoon, and thank you for your patience. We were trying to acquire a SDE5 sensor, but right now we have it, and we are going to explain how to configure it. Well, this is the same pressure sensor that the one you were asking for, but this is mounted in a filter regulator, but the configuration and all the things are the same. This sensor is PMP and is normally open, so the configuration is almost the same. This is the wire and it has three cables. The brown is 24 volts, blue is ground, and the black is the PMP signal. Right now it is wired and it is in 0 volts because it has not reached the set point. Well, we're going to configure this. First of all, we have to switch on the operating voltage, which is on. Then we have to apply touch pressure to the SDE5 pressure sensor. Here is the pressure sensor, and we're going to set the pressure at 3, and we're going to teach the sensor at 3 bar. Right now it's at 2 bar, and we are going to increase the pressure up to 3 bar. This is the desired pressure for this example. Well, right now it's on because it has a previous configuration, but in order to reset the previous configuration, or if the sensor is new, you have to push this blue button during 2 seconds. Here, 1, 2, and now it is resetting. We have to wait a little bit, and this is the new pressure, the new set point, 3 bar. We have 3 bar here. We have, well, here it is the LED light is on, which means that the signal is also on. And if we check our multimeter, almost 24 volts. We have a little drop of voltage, but the PMP signal is working. So if right now the sensor is working. At 3 bar is the set point pressure, but if we decrease the operating pressure, it turns off, and we have here 0 volts in the PMP signal. Well, the pressure is under the set point. We're going to decrease, and the same happens. But then, if we increase the operating pressure up to 3 bar, the pressure sensor light will turn on. Here is on, here we have more than 3 bar, and then here we have more than 24, well, almost 24 volts. And that's it for now. Also, if we decrease, it is off, and then we can teach another operating pressure. Well, we're going to do that. Right now it's in 2. Then we are going to teach the pressure sensor at 2 bar. Right now we are at 2 bar. Then we have to click again. We are teaching this process again. Here we have to push the blue button for during 2 seconds. 1, 2. It is blinking. It means that it is saving the new set point. And that is, when we reach 2 bar mark, the operating pressure, the pressure sensor is sending a positive signal of almost 24 volts. And that's it for now. I hope that it is clear, but feel free to ask if you have another doubt. But I think with this video, everything will be clear.